Would you like to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month doing your own credit repair business? Are you tired of building somebody else's dream and you want to do your own thing? Even during these trying times, we're thriving as a company, and I want to show you how to do the same thing. My name is Brad Young. I'm the owner of Landmark Credit Repair, and over the last 18 years, we've been able to grow a very successful business by helping thousands of consumers across America repair their credit. I've also been able to take care of my family very well and live life on my own terms. My team and I are looking to mentor a selected amount of people in your area. So fill out the form below to see if you're a fit for our program. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a blessed day.